If you love one-pot meals and Oktoberfest, today this is our one-pot Oktoberfest, all done in the Deluxe Multi Cooker. This is so delicious and so easy to put together. Let's do it together. First thing we're gonna do is brown the brats. I'm gonna show you a little shortcut I took with this recipe. It does call for some bacon that you'll cook in the pot with your vegetables. I cook my bacon in a stoneware bar pan in the oven. I saved some for today, and I have the bacon fat that I saved. Do you ever save bacon fat? So what I'm gonna do today, instead of using vegetable oil, I'm gonna use a little bit of the bacon fat to brown my brats. Not that you need the extra fat for that, but you want the flavor. So this is a way to make use of something that maybe you would have thrown away, but it's saving me some time today. I put all of the brats in there all at once. You just want them to start to brown. Sausage is browned just the way I want. Take a look at that. So you still see some pink parts, but you'll definitely see that there's plenty that's browned as well. You can just put it in the same container that you had it in previously. It's gonna finish cooking in here, so it's okay. You don't have to worry about cross-contamination with something like this. Okay, we'll just leave that to the side. Now, for here, you can leave the fat that's in there already, and I've got some onion. I pulled this out of the freezer, so I didn't have to chop it all over again. We'll let that brown for a couple of minutes. Okay, the onion is browned. We're gonna go ahead and add mustard. Now, this is the kind that I like to use for this. You need a grainy, whole grain, or stone ground mustard, not the yellow mustard. That's to help make our sauce. And then we've got half a cup of beer. You can use a lager. I'm actually using an Oktoberfest brew because that's what I have. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I've got 2 big cloves of garlic. It calls for 3 cloves, but I'm using 2 because they're big ones. I'm gonna go ahead and press it right on top of the bacon so you can see. If you struggle with hand strength for your garlic press, just put the bottom of your press on the mat and just lean into it and it will shoot right out of there. Okay, so all you've got is your peel. This was a big clove, there's garlic everywhere. Okay, we'll do one more. And let's pop this all right into the multi-cooker. Now, when you look at the recipe, it will tell you to use some steamer baskets for this. It is not necessary. In fact, we don't even carry them anymore. I have never made this recipe with steamer baskets. I've always used everything right into the pot here. Okay, so we've got potatoes and carrots. I do use extra, so it tells you four links of the brats. I use the full package. It's about 1.5 pounds, I think. I do about 1.5 pounds of the red potatoes and a few extra carrots. So just dump it all in. This is a one-pot Oktoberfest. Everybody loves one-pot meals, right? Before I add the brats, I like to give everything a little bit of a stir just to coat the vegetables with that mustard. And then just dump the brats right over the top. And now we're ready to cook. Just take your lid, put it on top. We're gonna use the steam setting. So turn the dial until steam lights up. It's right over here. Press the button in and you're gonna reduce it to just 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes, can you believe it? Press and hold. And now what it's going to do is start the countdown. It's gonna take a while because there's a lot of stuff in there. And once it comes to pressure, it'll just take 3 minutes. The brats will be finished in cooking. All of the vegetables will be tender and we'll be ready to dig in. It's all done. Here's what it looks like. I did pierce the potatoes and the carrots to make sure they were tender, and they sure are. It smells so good. You know, anytime you have a stew like this or a one-pot dish, garnishing it with a little bit of fresh herbs adds a pop of color and fresh flavor. I hope you'll give this a try. This is one of our favorite Oktoberfest meals.